If you are looking for the best small chainsaw, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Greenworks 20672 Lightweight Chainsaw Pole. The Greenworks 20672 brings a bit more versatility, thanks to its nice heft of less than 9 pounds. Moreover, the battery involved is the G-Max 40-volt Li-ion that delivers greater performance. Other features include an automatic oiler that prolongs the chain's lifespan and the extendable aluminum shaft that reaches 8 feet. With this battery-powered pole saw, you can move freely without any restrictions. The only downside is that you're limited to 1 hour of cutting time before you have to recharge. If that sounds too short, just pick up an extra battery with your purchase. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER LCS 1020 Lightweight Chainsaw. This 7-pound chainsaw is perfect for pruning small trees, clearing brush, and cutting thicker tree branches from the ground. One thing to keep in mind though is that the lithium-ion battery only lasts around 30 to 45 minutes for actual cutting time. While the tool-less chain tensioning system makes the guide bar and chain adjustments a snap, the manual push-button oiler does require you to consistently lubricate those parts. It's not a big deal but is something worth knowing in advance. For the price, you can't get any cheaper for a small chainsaw that runs on batteries with those features. Number 3. Oregon CS 1500 Lightweight Chainsaw. With its 18-inch bar and 15-amp motor, the Oregon CS 1500 is one of the more powerful corded electric chainsaws on the market. Its main claim to fame is its self-sharpening system, a built-in feature that can sharpen the blade in a few seconds. It's as heavy as a gas saw, weighing 12.6 pounds, but as a corded electric saw, its mobility is limited. It's not very portable. The CS 1500 is an absolute tank, cutting swiftly through branches way above its weight class. It's quiet, low maintenance, and way more environmentally friendly. Number 4. Sun Joe SWJ800E Lightest Chainsaw Pole. It's good for one thing and one thing only, cutting high tree branches. It only weighs 7 pounds, which makes it easy to maneuver and hold for long periods of time. It uses a powerful 6.5 amp motor. As for height, the pole extends 8.7 feet. This little chainsaw also includes an automatic, fixed-flow oiler to lubricate the bar and chain. So, you don't have to touch a thing to keep those parts properly maintained. A tool-less chain tensioner makes chain adjustments quick and easy, and only takes a simple turn of a screw. Number 5. WORX WG309 2-in-1 Small Chainsaw. If you're looking for a high-quality pole saw that is able to cope with most of the things you put in front of it, then this model might be of interest to you. Its 8-amp motor offers plenty of power to allow smooth operation and efficiency. The hand grip on the pole is soft, ergonomic, and designed to alleviate the weight issues as much as possible. The auto-tensioning system allows you to fine-tune the chain and thus prolong its lifespan. The pole seems fine. It features a detaching mechanism that is easy to use and get the hang of. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.